Hey everybody, today I'm located in the beautiful city of San Dimas, California. I'm located specifically at me and my fiance's cafe, Palermo Bakery. Today I'm going to be showing you how we do some gardening indoors. Alright everybody, so I pulled out this NSF shelving for my storage. I wasn't really using it. It just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. It's about 24 inches wide. I could fit maybe 4 times 2, so maybe about 8 plants, and we're kind of thinking eggplant, tomatoes, maybe some more herbs. And the next step would be to just clean it, get a lot of this old crust off of it. Stay tuned, you guys. Alright, so it's day 2 of our indoor garden build. I'm at Home Depot. I'm here to go get some supplies. The lighting selection isn't that great. Something similar to what I want, but it's for $30.47. I think I'm gonna head over to Lowe's and see if they have anything a little bit better. Alright guys, so stop number 2. I'm headed into Lowe's. I think they have a little bit of a better deal here. So here we go. This is exactly what I'm looking for. It comes with 2 bulbs. They're linkable, super bright, 4 feet in length. Better of a price. This is more bang for your buck. And we're gonna go with 4 of these, 2 for each shelf. So now that we have a stable shelf, we're gonna hook up the lights from Lowe's. I highly recommend them. Pop these open. Comes with a chain, so you can easily attach them. It's day 3. I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing all the planting. It should be the final day. Everything's going to be done. I can't wait for you guys to see it. We're going to fill up these pots with dirt about 3/4 of a way. Add our tomato plants in it. We got some eggplant, fresh herbs. This is parsley. We also have these cages that are gonna go inside so that tomato plants grow forward and not all bushy. We got a couple last few things here today too. This soil mixture, number 4, it's for indoor potting. I've used it before, super good stuff, highly recommend it. I picked this up at Home Depot for 29 bucks, but I think Lowe's has one too for 34. So we're gonna get started. Little bonus find, I found a pack of seeds inside one of these buckets. We're gonna use some of this extra soil that I've just been having around here, try to get rid of it. Next, we're gonna get rid of this soil too. Alright guys, so I have them a little bit more than halfway full. I'm gonna add Coco Noir. It's coconut fiber. These are 3-pound buckets, so I'm not gonna do too much and mix it in there. It's gonna add warmth to the plants and the roots. It's gonna help it drain really good too. So that's our next process here. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.